Hi, this is Ravi Poladu from Anish Rao IT Solutions. Today I'm going to talk about CIO Service of Anish Rao. Before I start, I would like to talk about what are the CIO's current priorities and then talk about Anish Rao CIO services, specifically what services we are offering to help CIOs to do their job better and reduce some of the complexity in dealing with the enterprise issues. So let's start with what is keeping CIOs awake at night. Well, three things. One is how to manage the enterprise application stack. Second is how to manage the enterprise infrastructure. Third is how to manage the programs that enterprise has. And the fourth is security, access, reporting, analytics, stuff like that. In the last downturn, CIOs have been judged on three factors among many. First is agility to respond to the business challenges. Second is ability to cut costs in the enterprise infrastructure or the application stack. Third is ability to deliver on the business priority. So today's CIO has evolved to be a business savvy resource as well as a technical savvy resource. They have to wear two hats. They cannot just be a business savvy resource, and they cannot be just technical, because if they are technical they cannot connect with the corporate management and understand where they are coming from, what are their priorities, and what is their vision. So they need to be both business savvy as well as technical savvy. Then they need to wear many hats in the enterprise. Among the hats they wear, sometimes they are business strategists, sometimes they are innovator, sometimes they are ambassador, sometimes they are efficiency guru, sometimes they are scorecard keeper, and nowadays corporate productivity is driven increasingly by IT ability to make data available to decision makers and anywhere at any time. So consequently, CIO must understand the company's products and services and structure like never before. Anish Rao is positioning its services in such a way that it will help the CIOs in two areas. One is providing the data insights to the stakeholders of enterprise information systems. Second is managing the information systems by themselves. So Anish Rao has two services to offer to CIOs. First is mobility services. Basically in the enterprise now today, last mile connectivity to end users is missing in the enterprise, whether they are customers, partners, suppliers, vendors, or employees. So mobility is helping the enterprises close this gap. Since mobility penetration is recent in the enterprise and being a new customer engagement channel, enterprises are realizing the importance and value to the enterprise. In order to close this gap, enterprises are trying to create architecture, security, deployment strategy, tools, and platforms. In terms of engagement, they are trying to revamp existing information systems or create new information systems, create necessary skill sets, whether they are UI, UX capabilities, programming, or testing, and meet the requirements of the stakeholders in terms of timelines, budgets, and functionality. So second one is managing the information systems, basically facing the business challenges of managing and revamping the existing information systems in the enterprise. Even though current information systems are functional, they lack many feature functionality that are required of them. For example, social, cloud, or mobile. With escalating costs, technology advances, and costly resources, and changing business priorities, enterprises are looking for a partner who can provide them a roadmap where they can redesign the existing information systems or manage the existing information system cheaply, so that enterprises can focus on current priorities and provide the necessary analytics and visions so that enterprise can be run efficiently.